Hello guys, about show here on today's video on what we are going to do with a rail cards. So it's a side of the imagination on helping you today on how we can start to use rail cards on a situation that we can start to help you what we are going to have through. So we are going right now to have this kind of thing that should be really simple and not going to be really hard. So we are going now to have here to gather the required information. Make sure you have valid debit card or debit credit card. Plan your journey, launch the Trainline app and enter your desired journey details. Add a rail line, navigate the rail card section. Select your rail card, choose the appropriate rail card. Apply the rail card, save the changes. Then complete your ticket process. And that is all about to help you.